You guys ever end up with gunked up saw blades from cutting green wood or pine? Well, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily clean them without the need for expensive saw blade cleaner spray or scraper jigs. Now, as you can see on this particular blade, this is very gunked up, and I've been using it to cut a lot of green wood while making some planter boxes out of some pressure treated pickets that I have. As you may or may not know, pickets often have a whole lot of sap in them and are super green, and this thing gunked up fast. I'm going to show you how to take care of that. First thing you're going to want, gloves, because you don't want to just let this stuff get on your hands. I learned that from experience. And the next thing is this spray. It is LA's totally awesome all-purpose concentrated cleaner, greaser, and spot remover. And I got this for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. You can also get this other places. That's just where I got this. Also, all these blades that I'm cleaning today are 10-inch blades. This obviously can work on your various blades. It can also work on your drill bits or router bits as well. So what I use is I have a pizza pan here that I also got for $1.25 from Dollar Tree, and a little nylon scraper that comes in a pack of 3. Again, $1.25 from Dollar Tree. You can get these other places. That's just where I happen to get these. Okay, so I'm going to spray this spray on here and just get it nice and soaked. And the reason I have this pizza pan is so that I can get a nice puddle going, because I'm going to be cleaning several of these saw blades, and I'm just going to reuse the liquid. Now, I like to just let it set there for a few minutes, and then once it has, I'm going to give it a quick little scrub. But you can just give it a quick releasing scrub. You can see the stuff's getting dirty already just from scrubbing it, because it's cleaning it up pretty quick. So just let it sit there for a few minutes. For some reason, a lot of these sprays are super expensive, and a lot of the methods they use, it just doesn't have to be that way. I'm sure the expensive sprays work well. I've never used them because I just couldn't bring myself to buy expensive sprays like that. But this way will work for $1.25, $1.25, and then $1.25 for this. You'll clean a whole bunch of blades. All right, so I've let it sit for several minutes, and I'm just going to give it a quick scrub over. And you can be as thorough or as quick as you'd like. The longer you let it sit, the less you need to scrub. Also, if you need a little more aggressive scrub, you can use the steel brush, but I'm just using the nylon. And then I just kind of go on each tooth and do a couple scrubs all the way around here. Looks nice and clean. If you need to, you can do some quick scrubs like this, but for mine, I don't think I'm needing to. Also, the longer you let it sit, the less the extra scrubbing is necessary. Now, this is an old, well-used blade, but you can see that all that sap and the gunk that was on the teeth and in between is all gone now. And that stuff, if you ever try to get out sap, it's actually kind of difficult to get off of things, and that's why they have scrapers to do it. So yeah, this isn't a paid advertisement. It's just a cleaner that I discovered works. All right, so to finish it off for storage or use, I usually like to coat these with a little bit of machine oil. This air tool oil should work. I just put a bit on it. Get myself a nice thin t-shirt rag and just make sure it's nice and coated on it. And there you go. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please go down below, hit a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, tell me what I did wrong or right, and feel free to subscribe. Have a good day.